Hi, I'm Rich Torrey. Welcome to another Level Up Cartooning. All you ever need to follow along with me is a pencil and paper. It doesn't get any easier than that, right? Well, today we're going to wrap up our 2-month-long focus on the characters from Nickelodeon's early golden years. We've definitely gone deep, drawing characters from Doug, Ren and Stimpy, Rugrats, Hey Arnold, The Wild Thornberrys, Rocko's Modern Life, Real Monsters, and The Angry Beavers. Today, I thought it appropriate that we wrap things up by drawing 2 of the stranger and more creative characters to ever grace the Nickelodeon airwaves. I'm talking about CatDog. Created and produced by Peter Hannon, CatDog was originally going to be a 2-headed superhero called The Amazing CatDog Man as part of a never-published book, Superheroes You've Probably Never Heard of. CatDog first aired in April of 1998 and ended in June of 2005, totaling 4 seasons and 66 aired episodes over 7 years, plus 2 episodes that never aired. The series revolved around conjoined brothers of different species, with one half of the resulting animal being a cat and the other a dog, both with vastly different personalities. If you've never seen CatDog, I highly recommend you look it up. It's great and insane. I mean, their parents are a Sasquatch and a frog. Something else for you to consider as we draw. A little drawing prompt. Put on your creative thinking cap and try to imagine 2 other animals with one body. Who might you come up with? Could be a lot of fun. Anyways, before we get started, make sure you hit the thumbs up and the subscribe button as it helps this channel to grow, and hit the bell so you never miss a lesson. All right, then let's get to drawing Cat and Dog from CatDog. We're going to draw CatDog step by step, giving you the secret formula to be able to draw them again and again. If you've watched any of my other videos, you know I normally use the character's head to figure out how big the entire character is. In today's drawing, our conjoined characters, there's a phrase I never thought I would utter, our conjoined characters are a little over 2 heads tall. In other words, however tall their heads are, their entire body, and it's a weird one, is a little over 2 of those tall. Okay, so what do you say we get started on a roadmap for CatDog? Okay, so there's our roadmap for our 2 characters from CatDog. Or is it 1 character with 2 heads? Anyways, before we go on to step 2, I want to give you the layout of CatDog's simple shapes, for those of you who want a screen grab. Again, just something to help you envision how to lay out your drawing. Now we're on to step 2. In this step, we do what I call roughing out the features. I want to remind you that until the 3rd and final step, you want to draw as light as possible. You're going to see that I use guidelines to help you to know how to construct CatDog. We don't want those guidelines in the final drawing, so you want to draw them light enough to be able to erase them easily. Okay, so let's rough out the features for our characters from CatDog. Okay, so there are the roughed out features for CatDog. So now with the roadmap done and the features roughed out, it's time for that final step. In step 3, we get to have fun. We get to draw in the final details of our weird conjoined brothers. Another phrase I never thought I'd say. Anyways, we don't have to guess where to put things because we've already done all the hard work to figure that out. As I often say, I want you to be present, and what I mean by that is you don't want to just mindlessly retrace over the lines you've drawn. As you're drawing the final lines of CatDog, I want you to be thinking about how you might improve it, staying vigilant until the very end. Okay? So let's draw in the details for CatDog. And that's how you do it. There you have it from Peter Hanna's wildly creative Nickelodeon series, CatDog. So how do you think you did? Understand if you've never drawn CatDog before, then you can't expect to have drawn them perfectly. You notice I don't spend time coloring CatDog during this video because I want my lesson to focus solely on the drawing process. Now you have the secret formula, the process for drawing CatDog. And with that, you can draw them again and again. And by all means, color them when you're done. I promise each time you draw them, it'll be a little better and a little easier. I also promise the more you work with me, the better you're going to get at all of your cartoon characters. So I'd love to see your drawings of CatDog. I'd also love to see any of your own crazy animal combinations. If you can, take a picture and post it on either Facebook or Instagram. And don't forget to include the hashtag #LevelUpCartooning. So I hope you had as much fun as I did with this one. Remember to subscribe and thanks for joining me. Until next time, keep drawing, my friends.